The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. At 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, several residents of the city of Louisville reported seeing a mysterious creature roaming around the city. It is unknown what this creature is and what its intentions are. Many people believe that they were woken up by quote-unquote hopping noises. As a precaution, all residents of the city of Louisville are advised to remain vigilant at this time, as danger is not necessarily present in the area. Tune into local media outlets for more information on this situation.
Civil danger for the city of Louisville. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. Residents of the city of Louisville, lock all of your doors immediately. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the creature that was seen at 1:30 a.m. has been identified. Multiple reports have stated that this is a rabbit-like creature that has the following characteristics: blood on parts of its white fur, teeth the size of a tiger, claws the size of a bear, and red, glowing eyes. This creature was also seen carrying a massive knife. Due to this creature having extremely dangerous characteristics, all residents of the city of Louisville are strongly advised to remain indoors, as this creature may start attacking people at any time. Do not approach this creature, as it is considered potentially dangerous.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. The creature, now named the Killer Easter Bunny, was seen breaking into people's homes, brutally attacking them, mostly children between the ages of 3 and 14, across the city of Louisville. This creature attacks its victims by sinking its massive fangs and claws into the victim's skin, suffocating them, then stabbing the victim with its massive knife, killing them instantly. This creature is considered extremely dangerous to children, and should not be approached. All residents of the city of Louisville, keep your children in your homes immediately, and lock all windows and doors to prevent an encounter with this creature. If this creature enters your home, defend yourself by any means necessary. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. An Amber Alert has been issued for the entire state of Kentucky. Police officials are looking for 6 children that were abducted from different homes in the city of Louisville. The first child is Liam Smith, a white male, 14 years old, date of birth February 18, 2005, 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighs 140 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a blue t-shirt, black shorts, and black basketball shoes. The second child is Anne Harris, a white female, 13 years old, date of birth July 2, 2005, 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighs 115 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a white t-shirt, blue jean shorts, and white Vans shoes. The third child is Kylie Williams, a white female, 12 years old, date of birth January 11, 2007, 5 feet tall, weighs 97 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink t-shirt, with blue jeans, and white Converse shoes. The fourth child is Aaron Miller, a white male, 11 years old, date of birth April 3, 2008, 4 feet 11 inches tall, weighs 89 pounds, with black hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a red t-shirt, black shorts, and black sandals. The fifth child is Noah Martin, a white male, 10 years old, date of birth October 14, 2008, 4 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 76 pounds, with red hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a black t-shirt, gray shorts, and gray tennis shoes. The sixth child is Jenna Sampson, a white female, 9 years old, date of birth March 15, 2010, 4 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 68 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a navy blue t-shirt, black shorts, and black shoes. All 6 children were abducted by the killer Easter Bunny, who was responsible for several deaths and injuries of other children around the area. This creature is considered extremely dangerous and should not be approached. It is unknown where the creature is taking the children to. It is believed that the children are in extreme danger. If you see the children described or the creature, call 911 immediately. All residents of the city of Louisville are advised to remain indoors at this time. Make sure all children are in a room with as few doors and windows as possible. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lexington Police Department. Several bombs were reported in people's Easter baskets across the city of Lexington. It is believed that the killer Easter Bunny, who was responsible for chaos in Louisville, is breaking into people's homes, killing them, and planting them in the Easter baskets. The bombs are set to detonate at any time. At this time, all residents of the city of Lexington are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately. Go into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you see something suspicious in your Easter basket, call the police immediately. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
Civil danger for the city of Lexington. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lexington Police Department. The bombs that were reported in people's Easter baskets have all detonated, causing those buildings to have massive damage. In addition, several fires have been reported due to the explosions, and firefighters are being called in to attempt to extinguish the fires. The killer Easter Bunny has escaped the city, and it is unknown where it will be headed next. If your home or business was not destroyed, seek shelter immediately. If your shelter was destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard will take you to a shelter until your home gets reconstructed.
Civil danger for the city of Louisville. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. A nuclear bomb has been detected in downtown Louisville. It is believed that the killer Easter Bunny planted this bomb. This bomb is expected to detonate in the next 30 minutes. In addition, the 6 children that the creature abducted were all brutally killed by sinking its fangs and claws into their skin, suffocating them, and stabbing them with its massive knife. The bomb squad has been called in to try to defuse the bomb. As a precaution, all residents within a 100-mile radius of Louisville are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A nuclear bomb has been detonated in the city of Louisville, Kentucky. The city has been completely destroyed, and fallout is spreading across the area. In addition, the killer Easter Bunny was exposed to the radiation and was killed. As a precaution, all residents within a 200-mile radius of Louisville are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It may only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. Take the following actions in order to protect your life. Get inside the closest fallout shelter near you. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Make sure your shelter has as few doors and windows as possible. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels, as this prevents radiation particles from entering your shelter. Do not use elevators to evacuate if you are in a hotel or other multi-story building. You will be trapped inside when the power goes out. Use the stairwells to find shelter instead. Place as many objects between you and the outside world as possible. Make sure your shelter has 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Do not leave your shelter until it is declared safe to do so. If you leave your shelter, you will be exposing yourself to radioactive fallout. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. An administrative message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The fallout has cleared out of the area, and residents can leave their shelters. Repeating, the fallout has cleared, and all residents can now leave their shelters. If your shelter is destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard will take you to the nearest military base. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. All broadcasts will now be handed over to state and local officials.